Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and please subscribe. For this video I am going to the beach with my friends, not like a lot of friends, just 2 friends, but we're gonna go to the beach together. So I'm gonna vlog the whole thing, you know, show you guys around. You know, Gambia has really beautiful beaches, so I would love to show you guys around. So yeah, you want to see more, please keep watching. I will vlog again when I'm done dressing up. I'm just gonna wear a regular t-shirt and go. So yeah, you guys will enjoy. See ya. Done guys, now I'm just waiting for my sister to drop me off so I can meet up with my friends. It's actually 12:25 and we said 12. And I actually told my friends that I left my house already because I don't want them to like keep me waiting. I don't want to be the first one there. They're already on the way and I'm still home. So yeah, I know they're going to be mad at me if they get there first, but who cares? Someone has to get there first anyway, so let it not be me. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I get to the beach. I'm not gonna be vlogging on the way because I'm gonna be too shy. Nah, I'm not gonna vlog until I meet my friends because my sister is only my friend is calling. My sister is only dropping me off at Gambia and I have to go all the way to Koto, so it's kind of complicated. But anyway, see you guys later.
Sun shining, I'm warm. Had the feeling, well I'm home. Couple thousands I just flown, got me feeling some type of way.
Dude, am I video ba na?
My people, my town, celebrating with this sound. We are feeling some type of way.
Will my house please? Hi guys. Hey, will my house? Why you want to Gambia? Ah. Haji, why are you hiding your face? Guys, say hi to my sis. Haji. So I'm finally with my friends at the beach. That's Day. Hi. Haji.
Hello, like this is again over here.
I swear to God, I don't like you.
Oh my God, Hajia.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Like this and that.
This and that.
Bila suruh kali Hajia.
Nah, this place is so beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Then maybe later with other more.
No.
You want some?
I'm just gonna sit here and have some drinks with my friends. Cheers.
Cheers!
Haji pag muna mo lang ito.
Drink na ako. Garap.
It's grapefruit. I want a cocktail, but there's no cocktail, so we got grapefruit. But it's shit.
Yeah.
Now YouTube will get you talking to yourself a lot. Bro, you guys, that's my best friend, my brother, you know. Go hide your face. Show your face. They mommy for the blush mom. Shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
If he push me, I do like this. She push me, I do like this. But when I do like this, the one come aside.
Boy.
Sun shining, I'm warm.
We're gonna go take some pictures, you know, cute pictures for the gram, but it's so hot! Now I need to get my shoe because it's too hot. If you don't have me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me. I'll put my link down below. So yeah. It's so hot. So
my people, my town, celebrating with this sound. We are feeling some type of way. I'm humbled that I come from a place like this. So let me show
make sure you are taking the right things.
And make sure that I don't move too much.
that I come from a place like this. Let me show you around. Smiling cold, smiling cold. Yes, we're repping all day. There ain't no other place like the smiling cold, boy. Smiling cold, smiling cold.
You wanna go tap it through?
Yeah, I like this one.
Let me see.
I don't care anyway. Don't post the video.
Sunny beaches, love bird watching birds, we got different species. Rich in culture and the love leaves you speechless. Society groom, reality it teaches. We won like a puzzle, putting together all the pieces.
I'm humbled that I come from a place like this. So let me show you around.
So right now we're trying to is that a game or whatever that is?
It's a game. Question answer. Would you rather?
Yeah, would you rather? So we're just gonna
Let's get right into it. Don't get YouTubers in there. Let's get right into it.
With another video.
Start it.
would you rather continue with your life or restart?
Would you rather kiss me in the butt or kiss me here?
The Melul Haji Sana.
Start it all over again. I don't want this. Hey, the sun is coming here. The sun is so cute. It's coming here. Hey, la. Hey, you are glowing live. In this life.
I swear to God, I hate this boy. Like, what is wrong with him?
You are glowing in real life.
We're gonna go. We're so hungry, so we have to go somewhere to get some food. So see you guys later. Bye. I'm so hungry, so I'm just here to get some bread because I'm extremely hungry, and these guys don't want to go to the restaurant because like we have to wait and stuff. So we're gonna go to the beach first. So I'm gonna get bread first, then we will go get shawarma after. Got some bread. Le bread. Let me go there in French because I'm going to Senegalese French. Okay. How about eggs?
My French is fucking.
We're finally at Pajara Beach. So beautiful here. Honestly, Gambia has like really beautiful beaches. Like every single one of them is just so beautiful. These people are so cool. Hey, my live video and my video. How does that work? It's less than 5 minutes here, but I think these boys are hungry because they didn't get food. So we're going to try to get food. I know I've said that like 1,000 times already. Honestly, you guys, if you want like a chill spot where you would just like have fun with your friends, maybe on a date, you should come here. It's just so calm and really beautiful.
Let me show you around. Sing it again. So humble. I come from a place like this. Let me show you around. Smiling cold.
We're finally getting some food. Like according to them, this place has the best shawarma, so they better be right. Because I've never been here. This is right around traffic lights. In case you guys want to try the shawarma, I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. Honestly, the food looks so Hi, I didn't know there's a mirror here. We're trying to order some food. What should we get? What should we get? Hi guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't shoot an outro yesterday because my camera died, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and please share this video. It's going to help me a lot. Thank you. Love and appreciate you guys so much. Bye.